and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott, and as I always say, I'm super excited to bring this tutorial to you. I came across Mr. Crafty Pants on YouTube, so I was inspired to give this a go for myself so that I can demonstrate for you guys that this does in fact work. And so today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to do etching on stainless steel. These do not need to be epoxied, and I did it two ways. This one you're going to see that I apply the decals, and on this second one you're going to see that I remove the vinyl after having done both. You're going to want to make sure that you have the safety glasses, the safety gloves, and a well ventilated space when working with this product, which is called Ferric Chloride. So stay tuned as I show you guys how we're going to replicate both of these tumblers. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here we're back at the table now, and we're ready to go ahead and start the process. And this is the Ferric Chloride bottle that I purchased. And again, I got the smallest bottle that I could just to see if this was really going to work. So the 12 ounce, I do believe, wine glass is from AB Designs Co. I'll have the link down below for that. And the vinyl that I'm using is from Glitzy Girl Glitter. I'll also have a link for the vinyl down below as well. As you can see, it's super easy to weed and easy to work with. As you can see, I approximately have a 12 by 12 size sheet all printed with the leopard print, simply because sometimes it's just easier to print them all at once for multiple projects. Once you have everything weeded out, you're now ready to go ahead and place it on the tumbler. It only made sense for me to go ahead and place this one by one, since there's such a strong curve on the wine glasses that we were going to have a serious warping issue. So I decided to go ahead and fast forward through this part, showing you how I'm just applying it with no rhyme or reason. So once you are satisfied with your vinyl placement, we are now ready to go ahead and glove up and make sure again, please, that you have a well ventilated space in which you're working with. I will say that this takes a period of 15 minutes once you've applied your first coat. As you'll notice, I do apply several coats from start to finish. I also want to point out that it appears to start taking effect almost immediately. But again, they say that the recommended time frame to allow it to sit on the tumbler is 15 minutes. I did this with both tumblers. I think the only thing I would do differently when I'm doing an entire tumbler such as this one is not use cotton balls, because they like to leave those little hairs behind, and that was slightly annoying. So I might try working with a makeup brush next time, or even some sort of sponge. So once you've applied several coats, allowing a little bit of time in between, and I don't really know if that's necessary or not, but that's what I did as well. And then I came back in and I washed it really, really well while wearing my gloves with very hot soapy water. I also wore my gloves to remove this vinyl as well as the second tumbler vinyl as well, just in case any of that product happened to slip underneath the vinyls, which thankfully it didn't. So this is one that I've already completed that I did show at the very beginning of the video, and now I'm just going to show you the removal of the vinyl, which is very, very simple. Once I did remove all of this vinyl as well, I went back in and re-washed this tumbler really, really well with very hot soapy water. Again, these cute, simple little tumblers, they do not need to be epoxied. So if you are epoxy sensitive, this could really work in your favor. I absolutely love how these turned out. I am also curious to work with one that has been etched as well as maybe glittered as well as epoxied. So maybe I'll bring another video to you guys soon. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.